Ferrari SF90 Stradale is a mid-engine electric motors. While in hybrid mode, it is powered by both internal combustion engine and electric motors. During this mode, the car's onboard computer also turns off the engine if the conditions are ideal, saving fuel and allowing the driver to restart it later. In performance mode, the engine runs continuously in order to charge the batteries and maintain optimal performance. Utilizing the powertrain to its full potential is the qualify mode. 3 electric motors in the SF90 Stradale provide a combined output of 220 horsepower, enhancing the power output of a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with 780 horsepower. This car has a total output of 1,000 horsepower at 8 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 800 Nm. It is based on the unit in the 488 Pista and F8 Tributo. The displacement is 4.0 liters by increasing each cylinder bore to 88 millimeters. The intake and exhaust of the engine have been radically modified. The cylinder heads are now narrower and the all-new, centrally placed fuel injectors operate at a pressure of 350 bar. The engine bay assembly for turbochargers is lower than the exhaust system, so the engine sits about 50 millimeters lower in the chassis to maintain a low center of gravity. A small flywheel is also used, and canal is used to create the exhaust manifolds. Several vital statistics about the car are displayed on a 16 inches curved display located behind the steering wheel. A head-up display adapts according to the selected driving mode. While the steering wheel is carried over from the F8, it now features multiple capacitive touch controls to control the various features of the car. Other conventional levers and buttons remain. According to the manufacturer, the interior will also transmit engine noise to the driver. According to the manufacturer, the SF90 Stradale generates 390 kilograms of downforce at 155 miles per hour thanks to new aerodynamic and thermal findings. The main feature of the design is the twin-part rear wing, which applies drag-reducing aerodynamics technology employed in Formula 1. One fixed wing element incorporates the tail lights. The moving components are mounted onto the body by using electric actuators that enhance the wing's aerodynamic surface area. The SF90 Stradale uses an improvement of Ferrari's previously designed vortex generators. To make the car more aerodynamic and to accommodate the cooling requirements of the hybrid system, the design incorporates a cab-forward design. The design was developed in close collaboration with Ferrari engineers and the Ferrari Styling Center. The back end of the vehicle was influenced by iconic Ferrari styling such as the high, upward-pointing engine cover, as it had to allow enough space for a second pair of exhaust pipes, keeping it as low as possible for better aerodynamics. As stated by the designer, Flavio Manzoni, the design is halfway between a spaceship and a race car. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale is so fast it's 0.7 of a second faster than the LaFerrari. It is capable of accelerating from a standstill to 62 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, and has a top speed of 211 miles per hour. A new chassis combines aluminum and carbon fiber to improve structural rigidity and provide a suitable platform for the hybrid system. The car weighs 570 kilograms dry, including the weight of the electric system. The engine in the SF90 Stradale is coupled to an all-new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The new transmission is 10 kilograms lighter and more compact than the 7-speed transmission found on the other models by this carmaker, which doesn't have a reverse gear due to the front electric motors. Additionally, the new transmission's shift time is up to 30% quicker. The price for Ferrari SF90 Stradale starts from $510,000.